Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel JB's Tutorial. In this video, we will learn about the number system. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification to stay up to date with my latest videos. Let's get started. First, we will know what is number system. The method to represent and work with numbers is called number system. Number systems are of two types, non-positional number system and positional number system. In non-positional number system, each symbol represents the same value regardless of its position. For example, in early days, people used fingers, stones or sticks for simple calculations like additions and subtractions. But it is very difficult to perform arithmetic with such a number system. Now we will learn about the positional number system. In positional number system, there are only a few symbols called digits. The symbols represent different values depending on the position they hold in a number. The value of each digit in a number can be determined using the digit itself, the position of digit in the number, the base of the number system where the base is defined as the total number of digits available in the number system. The first digit is always 0. Hence, the maximum value of a single digit is always equal to 1 less than the value of the base. Positional number system uses digits for the representation. Positional number system is further classified into decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system is a base 10 number system having 10 digits from 0 to 9. Binary number system is a base 2 number system having only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Octal number system is a base 8 number system having 8 digits from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system is a base 16 number system having 16 digits from 0 to F. 0 to 9 is represented similarly to the decimal number systems and the digits from 10 to 15 are represented as A to F. Here is a chart of relationship among decimal, hexadecimal, binary and octal number system. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you thought. And don't forget to subscribe.